JavaScript, being a versatile language, provides array manipulation methods for efficient programming. Among this, forEach stands out, allowing developers to iterate over each element in an array seamlessly. In this video, we will explore the intricacies of forEach, its usage with examples, delve into the process of creating a polyfill for educational insights, and address considerations like error handling. The forEach method, a part of array prototype in JavaScript, executes a provided function once for each array element in ascending order. The syntax is straightforward. It's important to note that the forEach method does not return anything, making it ideal for scenarios where you want to perform an operation on each array element without creating a new array. One common pitfall developers encounter is attempting to use the await keyword inside a forEach loop when dealing with asynchronous operation. Unfortunately, this approach doesn't work as expected due to the synchronous nature of forEach. Each iteration of the loop does not wait for the asynchronous operation to complete, resulting in unexpected behavior. Consider the following examples. In this case, the console log result statement will output undefined for all the iteration, highlighting the issue of using await within forEach. To handle asynchronous operation with ease, it's recommended to use the forOff loop, which respects the asynchronous nature of the tasks. Let's revisit the previous example using forOff. Now, the output will be the expected doubled values of each array element as the forOff loop handles asynchronous operations gracefully. While modern JavaScript environments support forEach, understanding its underlying implementation is insightful. Here's a simple polyfill for educational purposes. Just like the native forEach method, this polyfill also includes basic error handling. If the provided callback is not a function, it throws a type error, mimicking the behavior of the native method. The polyfill, like the native forEach, operates directly on the array elements. Modification made within the callback function, such as altering the values of the array elements, will reflect in the original array. Similar to the native method, the polyfill ensures that the callback function is executed with the correct context, this value, which is the array itself. While forEach is convenient for certain scenarios, other looping mechanism like forOff or map might be more suitable depending on specific requirements. Now let's explore an example of using our polyfill. In this example, our custom myForEach method is seamlessly applied to the array, mimicking the behavior of the native forEach method. This hands-on implementation allows you to appreciate the simplicity of the forEach method and how it can be recreated with just a few lines of code. In the world of JavaScript array manipulation, forEach holds its ground as a powerful and intuitive method for iterating over arrays. While its synchronous nature may pose challenges with asynchronous operation, the forOff loop provides a viable solution. Additionally, creating a polyfill for forEach sheds light on its inner working, offering valuable insights into the language. When implementing a polyfill, we consider incorporating error handling mechanisms to enhance robustness and mirror native behavior. As you embark on your JavaScript journey, remember to choose the right tool for the job, whether it's forEach for straightforward synchronous tasks or alternatives like forOff for more complex scenarios. Understanding the nuances of array manipulation methods is key to becoming proficient JavaScript developer. If you found this content helpful and informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful updates and tutorials. And as always, happy coding.